Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing another episode of Kelly's Kitchen. This is a series I wanted to start on my channel because I really like cooking and baking, and so I wanted to have this space to also show you guys like my cooking and like baking. I'm like not a professional, but like it's fun. Today it'll be my 1K subscriber special where I bake a cake. Yay! I honestly can't believe I hit 1K. Like, I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but like, it's just, it makes me happy. And thank you guys so much for subscribing. I hope my content will continue to satisfy whatever you are looking for in my channel. But yeah, I'll be just baking a regular cake just to celebrate this little, what do you call it? Let's say point in this YouTube journey. I look forward to seeing where this channel will go. Yay, this cake will be for my subscribers and myself because I technically can't feed my subscribers. This is kind of my first time frosting a cake. I'll link the recipe down below and all the ingredients I use. I'll be following, I don't know if you guys know the ASMR baking channel Cooking Tree. Literally my favorite channel to exist. Let's just get started. I'll probably just not talk. I won't talk. I don't think I'm gonna be talking. I'll try to make it as satisfying as I can, like very ASMR-esque vibes. You feel me? Okay, I will stop talking. and the cake turned out very nice. I don't know if you can see. Okay, time to ice this cake. Yay! Cute! Okay, it's time to cut into the cake. I'm a little nervous. I have my mom here with me. You want to just stay off camera?
I'll just stay off camera.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous! Okay, it cuts very nicely. You can't see the intersection.
Yes.
It doesn't look that bad, right?
Very nice.
Nice, right? Okay.
For the time I make cake, this is a bit good.
Right? Okay.
There's no way I can do that. What is for?
Oh, keep that.
Good.
Oh. It's so good. You're gonna like it because it's not too sweet.
Yeah.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
If you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to everyone who subscribed and has been supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. Comment down below if you want to see more cooking videos, or comment what you want to see me bake or cook next, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!